Create a chic, shady, and comfortable private space in your backyard with a stylish arbor bench. Here's how. Let's get started by putting together the frames. Start with the top frame, then the seat frame. Continue with the side frames. Then add the supports for peace of mind. Now we complete the front of the frame. The unit is coming together nicely. Next, we add supports for the horizontal pieces and lay down the deck boards to create the private seating area. We're almost done. Screw in the back slat pieces all the way to the top. And then repeat on both sides. Add some final touches with the fence board. And secure the cross braces to support the roof. You did it! Now all you have to do is move it outside. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. You'll also find links to all the products and the complete steps in our Here's How hub.